So guys, let's talk about our ages and birth years. Okay, so napanganak ako ng 2009. Oh, great! And I'm 2007. Great! And I'm 2011. Wait lang, same tayo, 2011 din ako. Okay, enough na yan. Let's talk about our birthdays na. So, my birthday is December 15. My birthday is June 17. My birthday is July 2. February 8. Ako yung host na nasa gitna ko. So, yun lang. Bye! So, meron pa tayong hanggang part 11 to guys. Hindi pa to the end, pero bye! Guys, ngayon ko lang realize na siya yung my latest birthday. So, nahimik kayo na. Sabing matulog. Bye-bye, wait for birthday! So, bukas ko pa mapopost yun kasi wala pang napag-isipan. Bye! Seryoso na to ha. Bye!